Hi kids, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, let's learn how to draw 2D shapes. So, let's go. Color name yellow color, blue color, white color, green color, red color, brown color. So let's go. Please subscribe this channel and watch the whole video. This is black color marker. Now I am drawing heart. I am drawing a heart now. Now I am drawing circle. I am drawing a circle now. Now I am drawing triangle. I am drawing a triangle now. Now I am drawing a square. I am drawing a square now. Now I am drawing a star. I am drawing a star now. Now I am drawing pentagon. I am drawing a pentagon now. Please watch the full video and subscribe this channel kids. Hey kids, subscribe this channel. I am using red color now. I am using red color now. I am using yellow color now. I am using yellow color now. I am using green color now. I am using green color now. I am using blue color now. I am using brown color now. I am using yellow color now. Bye bye kids.